Hello and welcome to this video brought to you by Smart Exam Resources. In today's video, we shall be diving into a key turning point in European history. Let's find the answer to the question, what actually happened in Paris in February 1848? Let's break it down step by step so that it is easy for you to remember for your exams and make your understanding crystal clear. 22nd February 1848, a protest march begins. The spark was lit when a peaceful protest march was held in Paris. People were unhappy with political restrictions and wanted electoral reforms. The march was in response to the banning of a political banquet, a popular method to express opposition to King Louis Philippe's government. Soon things escalated. Barricades appeared all over the streets of Paris. This was a classic sign of urban revolution in France. Workers and students joined forces to resist the army and protest against the monarchy. In an attempt to ease public anger, King Louis Philippe dismissed his unpopular prime minister, François Guizot. Guizot was deeply disliked for opposing reform and being part of the conservative elite. After Guizot was removed, two experienced statesmen, Mole and Thiers, were offered the chance to lead. But both refused to take charge in such a chaotic and uncertain situation. With no one else stepping forward, Odilon Barrot assumed leadership. He was a liberal moderate and seen as a figure who could calm both sides. The the pressure from the streets was now too much. On February 24th, Louis Philippe abdicated the throne. He chose his young grandson as his successor, hoping to preserve the monarchy. But it was too late. Within hours, Alphonse de Lamartine, a respected poet and politician, proclaimed the Second Republic. France had moved from a monarchy to a republic all in just a few days. So, why does all this matter? Well, this moment in 1848 marks the end of July monarchy, the beginning of the Second Republic in France, and it was a symbol of people power and the desire for liberty, reform, and representation across Europe. So, here's the summary. In this video, we explore the dramatic events of February 1848 in Paris, when mass protests and uprisings led to the abdication of King Louis Philippe and the birth of the Second Republic. From the peaceful protest on 22nd February to the rise of barricades, the dismissal of Fosco Guizot and Alphonse de Lamartine's historic proclamation, discover just a few days reshaped the future of France and inspired revolutionary movements across Europe. So, well, a formal thank you to all